Welcome back to Rituals. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be discussing the secrets to growing wealthier. That's right, the secrets to growing wealthier. Everybody's curious, how do I get wealthier? How do I get wealthier? How do I get wealthier? Well, it's really not that complex. It's actually very, very simple. And I'm going to break it down to you guys in 3 simple steps. But before I do, I need you all to do me a favor. And that is hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell, so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. My channel is based off car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips. And that's what we're doing today. Today is Rituals Money Talks, and welcome back. So let's get right into it. Like I said before, the topic at hand today is the secrets to growing wealthier. All right. So no matter how much money you make, whether it's $25,000 a year, whether it's $65,000 per month, whether it's $85,000 per day, even if it's as much as $250,000 per month, it doesn't really matter. It's still based off 3 things in order to grow even wealthier. 3. The first one. You ready for these? You ready for this, guys? The very first one. Are you ready? Okay. The very first one is make money. Simple, right? So whether you're working a 9 to 5 or you're an entrepreneur, you got your own business, you still have to make money. In order to become wealthier, you have to make money. So that's very, very simple, right? That's why I told you guys, some of you guys are overthinking it. I mean, the secrets to becoming wealthier, some of you guys are really overthinking it. So step number 1 is make money. It's that simple. Number 2, use your money to make more money. I repeat, step number 2 is use your money to make more money. What do I mean by that? It goes back to my other videos I've been doing the past couple of days about investing. Invest, whether it's in real estate, whether it's in the stock market, or whether it's in yourself to make yourself more profitable to others, thus creating more assets for yourself. Another stream of income, another whatever it may be. But you have to invest money to make more money. That's just how it works. A good investment tool right now for stocks is the Stash app. Because you don't really, there's no real broker fees. It charges like $1 a month. And if you're interested in investing in stocks, click the link. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you sign up today, they are giving $20 towards your first share of stock. So if you're a beginner at stock market with the Stash app, they will give you $20 to use towards a share of stock. So click that down here in the description below. Somewhere down here, I'll put that link in the description. Click that link, sign up, get yourself some stock, $20. And the good thing about Stash is it's fractional shares. So suppose if you want to buy a share of Apple, which I think is almost at $300 or something, you don't have to have $300. You can literally put $10 on Apple and get a fraction of their shares. So you can own some of Apple today. You can own some of Tesla today. And Tesla just got over the $1,000 per share mark today. So if you sign up for Stash today using my promo code, not only will you get $20, but you can have a small portion of Tesla with that $20. How about that? So I just helped you guys make more money. How about that? So once again, step number 2 is use your money to make more money. Now number 3, this is the most complex of all of them, but not really. Not really. It's been common knowledge since the beginning of time, and everybody, most people tend to not utilize this method. This is the greatest method of becoming wealthy. It is the biggest secret that isn't a secret, and that is live below your means. It's that simple. Live below your means. As long as you can do that and put your money into something that makes more money, or put your money in savings, you will become wealthier than what you already are. Just live below your means. Don't spend everything that comes in the house. Put some to the side. It's that simple. Told you guys these secrets. Some people are overcomplicating things. So, once again, I repeat, the secrets to growing wealthier. 1, make money. Right there. Got to make money in order to grow wealthier. 2, use your money to make more money. AKA investing, real estate, investing in yourself to get a new trade, a new skill, to make yourself more profitable for employers or the job market, or to make yourself more valuable to future consumers. And number 3, most importantly, no matter how much money you're making, no matter how much, if you want to become wealthier, you have to live below your means. All right. So thank you guys for tuning in to Rituals. I hope that helped you. I gave you guys the secrets. I gave you guys the game. I got a book coming up real soon called Common Sense. It's going to be a practical guide to money. So stay tuned for that. If you're interested in knowing the release date and all that good information, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. And turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop of everything Rituals. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys. We have got up to 215 subscribers, and I appreciate all of y'all. I really do. Thank you so much for watching Rituals. Share the video with a friend. Once again, hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed, once again, please subscribe. The channel is about car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips like this one. So this is another episode of Rituals Money Talks. Thank you once again for tuning in. You guys be safe. Love you all. Peace.